In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Location section available here. Now use this switcher next to Use Location to turn it on or switch it off. If you wish, you can also go into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and tapping on this shortcut. If it's blue, that means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!